Putting together a project status update usually means juggling spreadsheets, chasing numbers, and rebuilding the same slides every week. There's a faster way. This is the project status one-pager. Everything a stakeholder needs to know about a project on a single page. Start at the top. In one glance, you can see project health, percent complete, the project manager, the resource count, and the financial picture. Health is shown with shape and color, so an at-risk project stands out before you read a word. The donut shows completion as a proportion you can read instantly, and the budget bar shows spending against the approved budget with the overrun in red. No mental math required. On the right, the project manager's own status narrative gives the story behind the numbers, with the date of the latest update right beside it. Below the summary, you'll find current milestones and tasks with color-coded status and progress bars. Anything overdue turns red automatically, and 4 focus tables surface the top key dates, deliverables, risks, and issues, so the most important items are always front and center. Need it in a presentation format? Because this is a Power BI paginated report, you can export it straight to PowerPoint with one click. The whole design comes across exactly as you see it, ready for your next steering committee meeting. Here's where it gets really powerful. Instead of running the report every week, you can subscribe to it. Pick a project, or multiple for that matter, and the report delivers itself. Every Monday morning, your sponsors get their project's one-pager in their inbox as a PDF, PowerPoint, or Word file, current and formatted, without anyone lifting a finger. Each person subscribes to just the projects they care about. No chasing updates, no manual sends. The information simply shows up. One page, the whole project, delivered automatically. That's the project status one-pager. 30 seconds to understand any project, and now it comes to you.